In this video, I'll be solving January 2021 Paper 2, Question 1. Part A1. Using a calculator or otherwise calculate the exact value of 1 4/7 plus 2/3 minus 1 5/6 for 2 marks. Now the first thing I will do here is to convert these mixed numbers to improper fractions. So 1/7 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11 over 7. Plus 2/3 minus 1/6 is 6, 6 plus 5 here is 11 over 6. The next thing I want to do here is to determine the LCM of 7, 3, and 6, which is 42. 42 divided by 7 is 6, 6 multiplied by 11 here is 66. 42 divided by 3 is 14, 14 by 2 is 28. And 42 divided by 6 is 7. 7 multiplied by 11 is 77. 66 plus 28 is 94 minus 77 all over 42. 94 minus 77 is 17 over 42. And this cannot be simplified further. So our final answer here is 17 over 42. Part 2. Write the value of the cube root of 27 over 9 squared as a fraction in its lowest terms for 2 marks. So I will write here the cube root of 27 over 9 squared. Now 3 cube is 27, so the cube root of 27 here is 3. And 9 squared is 81, but I'm choosing to express 9 squared here as 9 multiplied by 9 for ease of simplification. So I will say 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 9 here, 3. So this is 1 over 9 multiplied by 3 here is 27. Part B. The thickness of one sheet of cardboard is given by 485 by 10 to the power of minus 2 millimeters. A construction worker uses 75 sheets of cardboard stacked together to insulate a wall. Part 1. Show that the exact thickness of the insulation is 363.75 millimeters for 1 mark. So the key you need to note here is that they give you this word show. Show means to prove mathematically, and they give you the answer here 363.75 millimeters. So we are working to show that this is the answer. This is the thickness of the insulation. So I will write here 485 by 10 to the power of minus 2, which is the thickness of one sheet of cardboard, and multiply it here by the 75 sheets of cardboard. Now I want to convert here this 485 by 10 to the power of minus 2 to a decimal. Now the power minus 2 indicates that we need to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So this here is 4.85 multiplied here by 75. When I multiply this out on my calculator, I will get here 363.75 millimeters. And I will write here QED to indicate that the proof has ended. Part 2. Write the thickness of the insulation. Part A. Correct the two significant figures for 1 mark. So I will write here 363.75, and the two significant figures I will count 1, 2. Look at the digit to the right. This is 3. 3 here is less than 5. Now because this 3 is in the units position of the number, I will change this 3 to a 0, and I will truncate the decimal portion of the number. So this is approximately equal to 360 millimeters. Part B. Correct to 1 decimal place for 1 mark. So I'm going to write here 363.75 to 1 decimal place here. This is the first decimal place. Look at the digit to the right. This is 5, which is 5 or more. So we add 1 to 7, so it becomes 8. So therefore, this is approximately equal to 363.8 millimeters. Part C. In standard form for 1 mark. So I will write here 363.75, and in standard form we only have one digit between 1 and 9 before the decimal place, so I have to move the decimal point 2 places to the left here. So this here is 3.6375. Now, in order to get back the decimal point to the original position here, I need to multiply by 10 to the power of 2, which is 100. So 1, 2 to get it back to the original place. So this is 3.63 by 10 to the power of 2 millimeters in standard form. Part C. Marco is on vacation in the Caribbean. He changes 4,500 Mexican pesos to Eastern Caribbean dollars. He receives 630 EC. Complete the statement below about the exchange rate. So I will take here the 4,500 pesos and divide it here by the 630 Eastern Caribbean dollars. And this will simplify here to give 7.143 Mexican pesos to 1 Eastern Caribbean dollars. Now I put this answer to 3 decimal places because it will actually give a more accurate answer than if you only put 2 decimal places, okay? So 1 ECD here is equal to 7.143 Mexican pesos.